Sudarshan Sukhani is with us, so is Mitessh Thakkar to set us up for the day. Gentlemen, good morning. Good to have both of you here. I mean, the market is going to have another strong start. But like so many of the past days, action happens in the first 1 hour and the last 1 hour. And yesterday was no different. Sudarshan, a response to that and how are things looking? Will gains hold? Will we build on the gains? What's your sense?
Yeah, good morning, Prashant. See, markets do their own thing. Sometimes they give up the gains of the early morning and sometimes they don't. But the point remains that after Monday's decline, the Nifty is higher. It was higher on Tuesday, it was higher on Wednesday, despite an intraday decline. I don't think we should pay too much attention on these intraday moves. They're far too smaller for most traders to benefit from them. A slightly larger move is what is relevant. So my sense is that on Monday, we made a low of some kind. Since Tuesday morning, I have been suggesting going long, and that is the context in which we start trade today. Go long, use options for the next Thursday expiry, not today, and stay on the long side of the market. Don't worry if there are intraday minor hiccups. It doesn't really matter. The important point is, will we be higher from current levels in the next 3-4 days? And the answer, I think, is yes. So go long.
Okay, go long in the market. Mitessh, how about you? What would the view be for today? Even if one goes long, right? Do you suggest taking positions out before end of day purely because A, it's expiry, and B, there is a holiday coming up in the US, so you don't know which way things could go. Your thoughts?
Well, I think we've been maintaining long since yesterday. Typically we were looking at some contraction and consolidation, but yesterday when we started getting past 18,300, I think we felt that the market would at least, if not give a breakout, at least head towards the 18,420, 430 level, which is where we had made an intraday high a couple of days back. So I think that retest is very likely. And since the long-term charts are positive, it could happen that we might actually attempt a breakout. So in that sense, maintain a long bias very clearly. Today, in fact, we have all buy recommendation on the stock side as well. The additional factor of comfort which allows us to go long is the Bank Nifty, which continues to trade near the all-time highs and is not showing any signs of weaknesses yet.
Okay, all right. Hi, Mitessh. Morning. What about individual stocks? What are you looking at?
Yeah, morning, Nigel. As I said, I have all buy calls today. So the first one is a buy on AV Capital with a stop at 127, targets of 135. Indigo was mentioned yesterday. I think Sudarshan also pointed out, good breakout, price and volume action is very strong. Buy with a stop at 1870 for a next target of 1945. A conditional buy on Apollo Hospital, it needs to break above 46.30. It might open there with a gap today, but above that, buy with a stop at 45.90 for targets of 47.25. And HDFC Life is a buy with a stop at 5.40 for targets of 5.63.
Sudarshan, how about you?
Well, mostly buying. Granules is a buy. The stock has already had a decent rally. It's in a trading range. Normally, the trading range should resolve on the upside, given that the trend is up. Buy with a stop under 354. JSW Steel is a buying opportunity. It had a good day yesterday, and I think it's heading towards 3-month highs. So buy with a stop under 692. India Mart is my only intraday short. India Mart has a chart, where it's falling day after day after day relentlessly. It's an intraday short with a stop above 44.29. And Pidilite is my fourth stock, again a buy. It's building a small base, about 2 months. I think it's a good stock where a breakout could occur. So buy with stop on at 26.50. Primarily, Sonia, the theme is be on the long side of the market.
Okay, that is the moot point, right? Be on the long side of the market because things are going to get better from here. Nishchal,